In our last video, we created a function and began the code to build our game structure. Now, we can complete the steps needed to build the rest of our structure so we can start our gameplay. We need to build the tower that the villager will be placed on top of. To do this, our agent is going to need some blocks in its inventory. From the agent folder, we can use the agent set block. I am going to choose iron as the block value, since it has a border so it is easy to see how many are remaining in the tower. The agent will need 6 blocks, so let's set the count to 6. Let's make sure the agent is building from slot 1 by adding the agent set active slot block from the agent folder. To build the tower, the agent will need to place a block and move up 6 times. When we need to repeat something, we can use the repeat block from the loops folder. Let's add it to our code and set the number of times to 6. Now, we just need to move the agent up 1 using the agent move block, and have the agent place the iron block downward using the agent place block. Both of these can be found in the agent folder. We are going to place our villager at the top. Let's move the agent up one more time by duplicating our agent move up block from above. It's time to place our unsuspecting villager at the top. From the mobs folder, let's use the spawn animal block. From the dropdown, let's find the villager egg. We want to spawn this villager right where the agent is located, so once again, we can use the agent position block to replace the coordinates. Last but not least, we need to get our agent into position to begin. That means facing the bottom block of our tower, ready to break that first block. Let's get the agent move block again and set it to down by 1. We can duplicate it and move him back by 1. Duplicate it one more time and move our agent down by 6 to get into the starting position. Time to test our whole structure. When we run our code, we should see our tank, a tower of 6 iron blocks, and our villager at the top with no means of escape. Our agent should be facing the bottom of the tower, ready to begin the game. If all of that looks good, we can hit the reset button to clear the area. If your dunk tank is not quite right, use the reset button to clear the build and double check your code. Once your dunk tank is completely accurate, you can continue on. We now have our entire structure ready to go. In our next video, we'll initialize the variables we need and add a title to prompt the player to begin the game.